Hello guys! Today we're going to learn the vowels. In this video, I teach the vowels and key sound. Before to start, remember, pay attention, look, repeat, and start again to learn. Are you ready, guys? Perfect. Let's do it in 3, 2, 1. Our first letter is letter A. Letter A in Spanish is letra A. The sound of his letter is A. For example, in the next word, we can listen the sound of his letter. The word is airplane. Airplane in Spanish is a avión. The sound of the letter A in this word is airplane. Repeat with me. Airplane. One more time. Airplane. Perfect. Very good. The next letter is letter E. Letter E in Spanish is letra E. The sound of his letter in English is E. For example, in the next word, we can listen the sound of the letter E. The word is eagle. Eagle in Spanish is águila. Now repeat with me the word eagle. Very good. One more time. Eagle. Perfect. The next letter is letter I. Letter I in Spanish is letra I. The sound of his letter is I. For example, in the next word, we can listen the sound of his letter. The word is ice cream. Ice cream in Spanish is helado. Helado pronounced ice cream. Repeat with me, ice cream. Very good. The next letter is letter O. Letter O in Spanish is letra O. The sound of his letter is O. For example, the word that we can listen this sound is ocean. Ocean in Spanish is océano. Repeat with me. Ocean. One more time. Ocean. Perfect. The last letter is letter U. Letter U in Spanish is letra U. The sound of his letter is U. For example, the word that we can find this sound is universe. Universe in Spanish is universo. Now repeat with me. Universe. Very good. One more time. Universe. That's why for today class. Don't forget like and submit. See you soon.